We're back out in Santa Clarita. This place has been wild as hell lately. Just being nosy. Look at this. Look at this. Lego dunks right here. These are Lego dunks 6Y. Was that 7.5? 7.5 women's. 50 freaking dollars. That is such a good deal. I see a few like extended size price items right here. Nothing too crazy though. Air Max Muse. These are going for 40, size 10, 10.5 men's. Moving on to the size 9 men's, $100. I don't know about that colorway. 60 for Metcon 6. Or these are the free Metcon 6s. Got them in white as well for 50. What are these? Zoom Flies? Zoom Fly 6s. Right here, these got the Zoom X and everything, $80. These are an 8.5. Pegasus Premiums, $100. This colorway is wild. Look at this color right here, $100 as well, size 9. Still got these SB Dunks. These have been hella cheap. Oh, $90. These were 50 2 weeks ago. $90 still well under retail. Retail's what, 140 on these or something? Air Max DNs right here, 102. Forces. Pretty interesting colorway material. These are going for 80. 80 for Vomero 5s. 30 for Rejuvenate Slides. Interesting color. Premium RMs right here, $80. DN8s, $100. And 80 for these. Rejuvenates 35. KDs 70. The Dunk Pros right here, SB Dunks. Right here, 80. Still got a few of these leftover crazy deals. These Jordan Trunners. These are going for 40. LD 1000s 25. These are all 8.5s. Well, this is what I'm talking about right here. They had a few of these a while back. $50 for these bad boys. Still got a few left. These are all 8.5s. Oh, they got another one right here. So these haven't been moving even at $50. Let's move on to the apparel, where if you need some polos right here, Nike polos, 48 down to $20. Got a bunch of medium smalls. I even see XLs. And they got them in multiple colors, all kinds of colors. $20. $13 for some t-shirts. Is that a Team USA goalie jersey? I think so. I see large, I see mediums. See them for $40 normally, $100. Still got all these jerseys here. See Kawhi. Sizing definitely limited because they've been here for weeks. These are smalls. The UCLA bootleg looking jerseys right here, screen printed, like, I don't know, it just feels, I don't know, they just look hella cheap. They got those in mediums. Those are going for 50. They got book jerseys. I see an XL, I see a small. There's a large, there's a large of these. So they got a few sizes left. XL Morant right here. You won't find those too much cheaper than that. Moving on to the size 10s, we got books right here, $70. Seen some of you guys say, oh, I showed the same thing. Like, prices change. That's the whole reason I go to the same spots here and there, because prices do change. And then stuff like this, they sell out, and then sometimes they still have more. But yeah, $40 for LeBron. That is crazy. I thought all these were gone. Because, yeah, earlier this month they had a crazy clearance. 70 for the KDs. More of these, 80. DT Hustles, $100. We saw these done. I think we saw them for like $40 a couple weeks ago. And it looks like this one wasn't as popular because these didn't move, even at $40. They still got Pegasus Premiums right here. They still got Invincible Run Flying. It's 114 is crazy for that. Monarchs for 40. There's wheat Monarchs right here, yeah, $50. We're gonna see a lot of the DN8s, $100. A lot of the RMs, pretty similar price, 80, 70, and 70 for these. Told you guys to buy stuff off season. These the same as they were last time. Ooh, got refurbs, 120. These normally go for $2 if I remember. Got hoodies. It's like one of the best places to get hoodies. $30, $40 for these. What is this? Oh, it's a LeBron one. Is this 24/7? 50 normally, 120. This is ACG stuff right here. This looks so flimsy, but it's ACG, and I believe this is wool. I believe it's wool, so even if it gets wet, wool can still, what do they say? It holds insulation properties. It still keeps you warm even if it's wet. One of the few materials that's like that. $60 for these. Yeah, and like I said, 0% wool. What the hell? What the hell is the point of this then if it's polyester? Damn, dude. Hey, see, I have no problem being wrong, dude. I'll make sure I get the right info out there. But yeah, what the hell? That makes no sense then, dude. What the hell? See another one of these. This is an XL. I don't see a price tag on this one. They're getting more and more refurb merch, and look, they're dropping the prices, which is even better. Because at the, another thing about that outlet, you usually get an extra like 30% off and stuff. So yeah, they don't really do that here, but solid prices. $30 for all white. All right, we're gonna switch things up. Go to the women's section. For the record, they're getting way less and less bigger sizes. Like the biggest size they seem to have here is like a size 10. Yeah, like this is a size 10 right here. I didn't know this was a women's. Does this came out as a women's color? I guess so. So I don't even remember this release, to be really honest. $100. I have like a couple size 11s here, but everything pretty much a size 10 and under. 70. I have this 10.5, 80 for these. 100 for these, but that's pretty much about it. Used to find all kinds of deals in the size 11s, 12s. I think those days are over. God dang it. I always do women's sizes at the end, so I'm gonna kind of cut it in the middle. Let's see, 270s right here. Look at this, $80. They got a bunch of different colorways. $80. Remember, like we never saw these on sale, so kind of nice to see those like that. 80 for Jordan 1. These high Jordan 1 highs, right? Yep. Zagama Trails, 95 if you like trail running. Pegasus Premiums right here, 100. And 100, it seems like 100's the regular price, or 100's the regular clearance price. Vomero Plus, this is what I've been looking for. These retail for 180, they got them for 110 here. This colorway is pretty wild, but these are just crazy comfy. Didn't see them in the men's section yet, but see multiple. This one's down to 90. This one's down to 90. Wow. Regular Vomeros right here, $100. Invincible Runs right here. These have quite a lot of Zoom X, and these are comfy as hell, but Vomero Plus just so much more, and then there's a lot more in the forefront too, like the forefront. This one I feel like there's a lot lacking in the forefront area because I do have multiple pair of these at home. Got Dunks going for 80, but certain ones going for 50 bucks. Vomero 5s right here going for 80. Air Max 95s right here, 100. And these were one of the extended size priced items. They still got a few left for 30. And I got these Jordan 5s and some regular sizes for $100. This is one of the best places to get slides. The Kobe ones, those are gone. They are gone. They had them for 20 freaking dollars. I don't know how much these are going for because, oh, there we go. 15 bucks for the Benassi slides. These are hard as a rock. And I think these are the Victory slides, if I remember. Yeah, Victory slides right here. And what they go for? They go for $20, so $5 more for some comfort. They got water shoes as well. Summer is coming up. Usually they're off season, but they got some water shoes. And look at the way they did it. Innovating. $35 for these. I got size 7, size 13s. I saw one of the workers walking around with some Spiz Ice. I swear they look like Bread 4s. I was like, what? Bunch of t-shirts for 13. I'm curious to see what this one is. This is the $15 section right here. And what is this? What is this? Is this like his motocross jersey or something? And this is the type of stuff I have been looking for my kiddo. Normally 55, 80% cotton. They don't have a size, so these are all larges. And they got it for 20 freaking dollars. That's what's up. Is this dry fit jacket? Dry fit jacket. Says 68. I don't see any other price tags. You know they're not 68 though. Yeah. Got some random stuff right here. Youth baseball gloves. $10. $10 normally 30. They got a few of those in a large. They got That's the exact same thing, different color. Oh, it's like a higher end one because this is normally 45 down to 15. Got golfing gloves right here, 10 bucks, normally 27. And I got this. What the hell this is? Like a satchel or something. $20. Ooh. Oh, this is swimming waist pack. I've never seen that before. Definitely never seen that. 25 down to 10. Small underwear. 55 down to 20 for a 4-pack. That's not bad. All right, let's knock out the bigger sizes. Got the GT Cut 4 preheat right here, $100. These are wild. Dude. These are wild, but $100. That's a hell of a deal. These go for like $220 or something normally. KD 18s. We always see these at outlets, $80. New Fly 6s. Going for 80. Docs TLs 80. Forces, are these the, yeah, these are the ones that look all worn out or something. I can't stand these, I can't stand them. Some of y'all like them, I bet. But yeah, $60. I think this is the one that the worker was carrying. I was like, what? Nah, $80. Still got a few of these left over, look. $20 freaking dollars for Rejuvenate slides, $20. Yeah, some of these are still labeled as 25. Different color Rejuvenate slides. These are 30 in the size 12. Jordan Sessions, and do what you gotta do to have the proper signage. But yeah, $50. DNA, so many different colorways, 100. Got another right here, 100. LeBron 22's 100. Zion 4's 60. Multiple colorways, this one's 70. Oh no, these are 70, my bad, both of them. In the size 13 section, I do see some size 9. Vermeer 18, these are Gore-Tex. $80, that's a hell of a price. The sign right here does explain what the refurbished system is. Go ahead and pause that if you need some info on that. Size 13 goes from right there to right there now. Every time I come here, size 13 section looks like it's getting smaller and smaller every time. 80 for the Dunks. Vomero 5's right here, 80. Got LeBron. These are crazy color though. Holy crap, $30. $30 a year trying to get rid of them. They're crazy color, but yeah, 25 for these as well. Jordan 4 RM 70. Do you guys see these as a viable option? Interesting color right here was like glacier blue or something. Oh my goodness, yeah, glacier blue, $60. Valentine's 90s right here, $70. Who saw these coming to the clearance center? Everybody. Jordan 1 low, $60 for size 13s. I kind of like these camo DNA premiums right here, $100. Then everything above size 15 is just this stuff right here. And then look, that's size 12, that's size 13. Like literally, they have like 3 or 4 pairs of size 14 and over. Includes this one item right here, size 15, $20. But that's it, dude. That's it. That's crazy. Trying to see if I missed anything in the apparel. They do have chinos. Dang, I didn't know they made my own pants. That's what y'all Latino fools call me. No, just amusing myself. $50 for these. Normally $125. Yeah, $50. Normally $125. Not bad. They do have different sizes. I doubt it's gonna be like a crazy selection though. ACGs, $25. This is interesting. It's like what the hell? Like a sweater polo. What the hell? You can like see through it. What the hell? $50 for those. They got a bunch of them. Bunch of running gear. Lakers shorts right here. It's kind of interesting. $30. Normally 70. Was paying 70 for those. What the hell? Got some Dodgers colors right here. These ain't Dodgers shorts, but Dodgers colors ones. And bet you they're hella cheap. Yeah, $20. On feet, do got Air Max 98s. And what are these like? I'm trying to remember the color, like crystal mint or something. I don't remember what color, but I think I grabbed those like $50 or something like that. I remember I got them in Cavamarina. Then jeans, Lakers, t-shirt. Basketball season almost over, damn. Wait, that's actually kind of cool. I was gonna go into the kids section in a sec, but look at this, $25. Got dry fit. I'm not the biggest fan of the material, but hell of a price. They got the matching pants here as well, all $25. Yeah, 100% polyester. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that, but get you an entire winter outfit for $50. Kids jackets right here. They've been marked down to 40 bucks, normally $2.20, but it's hard to shop off season for kids if you're like a woman and it fits. Like, that's what's up. That's what's up. Kids just grow so quick, kind of hard to shop off season for kids. And I was talking to one of my boys about the Lakers this off season. I was like, man, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We need to sign Austin Reeves. We re-signed LeBron. We better re-sign him cheap as hell, man. Speaking of LeBron, so we got these. But I think we have a bunch of one-year contracts too, so we're gonna have to start all over. I don't know, dude. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, dude, got LeBron's for the kiddos right here, $80. Seen a lot of these DN 70, 160, or I'm sorry, $40. Dunks go for 60. You do not get a Jordan sticker with this one because it was used. $40 right there. I like this color right here. I like this color. $80. Jordan 1 Hot OGs right here. 6.5, 60 bucks. Hella bright forces. You will find your kid in any crowd with these. $40 for these Rebels. Midnight Navy Jordan 1 Hot OGs. $79.99. Vomero 5s right here. $50. That's a hell of a price. Shocks if your kids want to bounce or jump super high like Vince Carter. 50 bucks. One of my other videos I had to edit out. I was like, I think Vince Carter wore those in the dunk contest. I was like, nah, he didn't. He wore the Tai Chis. I was like, when I was editing, I was like, I was so off. $80 for those. Then Stephon Marbury signed with And One, and then his I think he tore his knee, or he had a really bad injury. And that was all downhill after that for And One. I think I'm gonna start wrapping things up. Do got slides for the kiddos. The victory slides, $20. The Kawa slides? Oh, these are pretty comfy too. Kawa slides, 15 bucks. 20 for these. And in the women's section, they still do have a few clearance things like these Jordan Trunners. But I think I covered most of the stuff. That's like a crazy color of the forces right there. 50 bucks. But I think I covered most of the stuff. Yeah, I need to head out, take my kid to a bunch of spots. It's usually the same places every freaking week. Can't wait to buy that full car.